In our previous lecture, we had started the lesson the little bully. Bully means, yes, I told you, bully means a person, a boy or a girl who uses his strength or the power to hurt others or to frighten others. So here in this lesson we have seen that Hari is such a boy. Hari is such a boy. Hari is such a bully boy who always pinches his friends, pricks. Pricks means pierce, tochne, pierce with the pen, pierce with the pin to his friends. He always, in a bad way, pinches to his friends, just like that. His pinch make a bruise on the hand, bruise, injury. So Hari is such a bully boy who always beats, pinches, pricks his friends. So everybody hates him. Nobody like him because he is a bully boy. It means that he uses his strength, his power to hurt others or to frighten others. On your screen you can see that Hari is there and he is pinching. He is pinching one girl, and that girl is crying, we can say, so loudly, so badly, and Hari is taking a enjoyment. He feels funny, but actually his pinch makes a bruise. Bruise means injury on the hand of that girl, and all other friends are also observing very badly. So everybody hates him. See, everybody hates him, nobody likes him. Now one event has started, that their class has had going to the picnic on a seashore, and in this picnic everybody is enjoying. They are sitting in a funny train, but here Hari is sitting alone. You can see nobody wants to sit with him because he always pinches and pricks his friends without any reason. So let's see the remaining part. See, on your screen you can see the next paragraph. When they arrived at the seaside out jumped all the children with a shout of joy, down to the sands. They raced hand in hand, but nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. See, everybody now, and they are enjoying a picnic, hand in hand. They are playing in the sand, they are playing in the water. Everybody is enjoying a picnic, but Hari is sitting alone. Nobody wants to play with him, nobody wants to sit with him because he has a bad habit of pinching. Hari was angry. Now see, Hari was, last paragraph, Hari was angry. Hari खूप रागवलाय. He went to a sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. See what happened? Now Hari was angry because nobody wants to play with him, nobody wants to sit with him, eat with him. So he went in a sandy corner and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and look at it. त्याने काय केलं की आपला lunch घेतला and look at it. See, it was a good lunch. See, it was a good lunch. His mother has given a healthy food to Hari. There were 2 hard boiled eggs. See, now there is a lunch of Hari he has brought. His mother has given a healthy lunch to the Hari. There are 2 boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. He would eat all by himself. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone. See what happened? Hari became so angry because nobody wants to sit with him. Nobody wants to share food with him. So Hari sat in a sandy corner and he opened his tiffin and started to eat. But and even he would not offer anybody because now he was angry. See, his lunch is too good, too healthy, and too yummy. So see the next paragraph. What happened? Just as he was beginning on the eggs, he heard a hoarse voice near him. Hoarse means rough voice. तो सुरुवात करणार तोपर्यंत त्याला एक काय झालं तर एक आवाज ऐकायला आला. Hoarse means rough and hard voice. Good morning. I am pleased to meet a boy like you. Hari turned around and stared in a fright. Whatever do you think he saw? See what happened? when Hari opened his tiffin, at that time he heard a very rough and very hard voice, and that hard voice was like that. Good morning, I am so pleased meet a boy like you. कुणाच तरी रफ असा मोठा खरखरीत आवाज आला आणि तो काय म्हणतोय, आय एम सो प्लीज, मला खूप आनंद झाला तुझ्यासारख्या मुलाला भेटून. हरी टर्न अराउंड अँड स्टेअर्ड इन अ फ्राईट. हरीनं इकडं तिकडं बघितलं आणि तो घाबरला. व्हॉट एव्हर डू यू थिंक ही सॉ, तुम्हाला काय वाटतं त्यानं काय बघितलं असेल? हरी सॉ अ मॉन्स्टर क्रॅब वॉकिंग साईडवेज आउट ऑफ द पूल. हरीने काय बघितलं तर एक मॉन्स्टर, मॉन्स्टर मीन्स जायंट, जायंट मीन्स व्हेरी बिग, एक क्रॅब त्याच्याकडे चालत येत होता. His eyes were on the ends of short stalks and he looked most queer. Queer means strange. तो जो क्रॅब आहे तो त्याच्याकडे चालत येत होता and he saw a queer, strange, it means strange crab he saw. He held out his front claw to shake the crab's claw. But to his surprise and anger, the crab opened the pincers and nipped his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. What happened? See, now that monster means giant. Giant means very big crab coming closer to him. So Hari offered his hand for the shaking. हरीने आपला हात पुढे केला शेक, त्याला हॅलो हाय हॅलो करण्यासाठी. अँड व्हॉट हॅपन? सी, क्रॅब्स क्लॉ, क्रॅबचा जो क्लॉ होता, जो पंचा होता, बट टू हिज सरप्राईज अँड अँगर द क्रॅब ओपन हिज पिन्सर्स. आणि रागानं जो तो क्रॅब आहे त्याने आपले पिन्सर्स नांग्या त्या ओपन केल्या आणि काय केलं, निप, इतक्या जोरात चावला. हिज हँड सो हार्ड द लिटल बॉय यल्ड. तो लहान मुलगा, यल्ड मीन्स श्रिक्ड, जोरानं किंचाळला. सी ऑन युअर स्क्रीन इन द पिक्चर यू कॅन सी that there is a crab, and that crab in his pincer took the hand of Hari. See, Hari's hand is in the pincer of crab. Crab is enjoying that nipping, biting, and Hari is yelling so loudly. Hari is shrieking so loudly. On your screen you can see that there are the prawns are there. Now see what happened. Here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly. आता क्रॅब काय म्हणतोय बघा, अरे वा, माझा कझिन पण आला. अँड टू हरीज हॉरर, हरीनं घाबरून बघितलं, ही सॉ अ लार्ज सँडी लॉबस्टर क्राउलिंग हेविली आउट ऑफ द पूल. आणि त्यानं काय बघितलं, पाण्यातून कोण बाहेर आला तर एक लॉबस्टर. हिअर इज अ लॉबस्टर, यू कॅन सी लॉबस्टर इज देअर. आणि आता काय झालं तर एक लॉबस्टर पण बाहेर आलेला आहे. अँड दिस क्रॅब सेड दॅट माय कझिन हॅज कम नाव. सी, माय लॉबस्टर कझिन इज देअर आउट ऑफ द पूल. बिफोर द लिटल बॉय could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great pincer-like claws and pinched it so hard that Hari yelled in pain. आणि तो जो लॉबस्टर आलाय त्यानं पण काय केलं की त्यानं सुद्धा हरीचा हातात पकडला, त्याचं हँड हातात पकडला आणि जोरात आपल्या पिन्सरनं तो त्याला निप, बाईट, जोरात चावला. जस्ट लाईक पिंचिंग विथ द हेल्प ऑफ हिज क्लॉज. See, now this crab is also nipping the hand of Hari, and this lobster is also nipping the Hari. So see students, in this way this small boy is got a lesson. See, then he started at the pool in surprise, for out came sandy colored shrimps and prawns, more crabs, and another large lobster, and they pricked Hari till he was soon black and blue with their pinching. Now see, prawns has come, lobsters has come, as well as this crab has come, and everybody pinched, nipped Hari so badly that his body became black and blue. त्याचं शरीर काळं निळं होईपर्यंत त्याला क्रॅब, लॉबस्टर, प्रॉन्स सगळे कडकडून चावले. सगळ्यांनी त्याला पिंचिंग केलं, प्रिकिंग केलं. See, on your screen you can see the picture that Hari has sitting here so so silently. And see his legs, you can see his hands, his face. Everybody pinched him. Everybody means who? Crabs, prawns, lobsters, all these water creatures come out of the water, came out of the water, and pinched Hari and pricked Hari. And Hari is now sitting so silently, so sadly. You can see the Hari's picture. आणि त्याला कसे चावले ते? हरी चांगला ब्ल्यू अँड ब्लॅक, काळा निळा होईपर्यंत त्याला सगळे चावलेले आहेत. डोंट यू लाईक इट? सेड ऑल द क्रिएचर्स इन सरप्राईज. आणि सगळे वॉटर क्रिएचर्स त्याला काय म्हणतात? डोंट यू लाईक इट? तुला आवडलं नाही का रे? वाय वी वेअर टोल यू वुड लव्ह टू सी अस, बिकॉज यू वेअर अ चॅम्पियन पिन्सर अँड प्रिकर युअर सेल्फ. कम जॉईन इन द फन. आणि हिअर मग ते क्रॅब, लॉबस्टर्स आणि प्रॉन्स काय म्हणतात त्याला की डोंट यू लाईक, तुला आवडलं नाही का रे आम्ही पिंचिंग केलेलं, प्रिकिंग केलेलं? See students, listen very carefully. This is the message. Now this is the message for you. And here all these water creatures said, हरी तुला आवडलं नाही का रे आम्ही पिंचिंग तुला केलेलं, प्रिकिंग केलेलं? बघा, तर हरी काहीच बोलत नाही. आणि मग ते काय म्हणतात की अरे यू आर लाईक अस, तू सुद्धा आमच्यासारखाच आहेस ना पिंचर. यू आर द बेस्ट पिंचर, यू आर द बेस्ट प्रिकर. तू तर सगळ्या मुलांना असं पिंच करतोस, प्रिक करतोस. यू आर द चॅम्पियन लाईक अस. सो वी सेड दॅट वी हॅव अ, म्हणूनच आम्ही तुला म्हणालो, काय म्हणालो? वी वुड लव्ह टू सी यू, वी वुड लव्ह टू सी अस, बिकॉज यू वेअर अ चॅम्पियन. तू आमच्यासारखाच कसा आहेस तर चॅम्पियन आहेस. कशातला? तर पिंचिंगचा आणि प्रिकिंगचा. हरी लेफ्ट टू हिज फीट क्राईंग लाऊडली. हिज लंच रोल्ड इन टू द पूल, and when the crabs and lobster saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. आणि सगळे क्रॅब्स, लॉबस्टर सगळे काय झाले तर त्याचे फूड घेऊन पळून गेले. हरी सॉ दॅट दे हॅड फॉरगॉटन हिम फॉर अ टाइम अँड ही टर्न अँड रॅन फॉर हिज लाईफ, tears streaming down his cheeks. Now see, Hari got a lesson. When all the crabs, prawns, and everybody pricked him and everybody pinched him. Now he got the lesson, because all creatures took his food and went in the water, and Hari started to cry loudly. Hari खूप मोठ्याने रडू लागला, and his tears rolled down on his cheeks. Tears अश्रूच्या डोळ्यातून त्याच्या पाणी आलं. They only did to me what I keep doing to the other children, he thought. Now he got the lesson. हे काय म्हणतो? हरी काय म्हणतो की ते माझ्याशी जसं वागले की जसं मी इतरांशी वागायचो. I was pinching others, so these water creatures pinched and pricked me. But how it hurt and how I hated those crabs and lobsters. आणि तो म्हणतो की किती जोरात हर्ट होतं जेव्हा आपण एखाद्याला पिंच करतो, प्रिक करतो, किती जोरात हर्ट होतं आपल्याला. नो, हाऊ आय हेटेड दोज क्रॅब्स अँड लॉबस्टर. आणि आता कसं मी हेट करतो क्रॅब्स अँड लॉबस्टर्स, किती जोरात त्यांनी मला पिंच केलं. आय सपोज द अदर चिल्ड्रन हेट मी टू. आणि त्याचप्रकारे माझे फ्रेंडसुद्धा माझा हेट करतात. जसं मी क्रॅबचा हेट केला तसंच इतर मुलंसुद्धा माझा हेट करतात. वेल आय जॉली वेल शांट पिंच ऑर प्रिक एनी मोर. आणि तो म्हणतोय की इथून पुढं मी कुणालाही पिंच करणार नाही, कुणालाही प्रिक करणार नाही. सी स्टुडंट्स, इन दिस वे हरी गॉट अ लेसन. वॉटर क्रिएचर्स just like lobsters, crabs and prawns taught him a lesson that we should behave kindly with others, we should love our friends, we should help them, and we should not be too naughty with the others. Otherwise in future also we got a lesson just like a Hari. So students, in this way we have completed the lesson. You should read it loudly and enjoy it. Okay, thank you.